Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Venmo account to send and receive money with friends and family, follow these step-by-step instructions for a complete registration process. Step 1. Download the Venmo mobile app from the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone, or from the Google Play Store if you have an Android device. Step 2. Open the Venmo app on your phone and tap Sign Up to begin creating your new account. Step 3. Enter your email address in the provided field and create a strong password for your Venmo account. Make sure your password is unique and secure. Step 4. Provide your first and last name exactly as they appear on your bank account or debit card for verification purposes. Step 5. Enter your mobile phone number. Venmo will send you a verification code via SMS to confirm your number. Step 6. Check your text messages for the verification code from Venmo and enter it in the app when prompted to verify your phone number. Step 7. Create your unique Venmo username, also called a tag. This is what other users will use to find you and send you money. Choose something memorable and appropriate. Step 8. Link a payment method by adding your bank account or debit card. This allows you to send money and receive payments. Follow the prompts to securely add your banking information. Your Venmo account is now set up and ready to use for transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.